Okay, in this video, we're going to be talking about the Services tab in the dashboard. Go ahead and click on the Services tab. This tab will allow you to create and manage the types of services that you offer. For example, if you are a coach or you sell some sort of package for the work that you do, you can create specific landing pages that will allow users to purchase directly through your pages. So you'll see that I have one created here. You can create a new service just by clicking the create new service button. I'm just going to actually edit this already existing one. You can add a service name. So I'll call this one one-on-one coaching. I've added a placeholder description here, but you're going to want to fill this out with information that has to do exactly with your offer. You can add a price, and you can also enable discount pricing. And by enabling that, you can change the discount price. You can change the button that users click to pay you. This one could be called Book Your Session, for example. And you can also change the button color. This will depend on what your background is. Now, you can also change your service image. I like my image, so I'm just gonna leave this here. And then lastly, you can add items of what's included. So once people pay, they will receive a Notion template, a 1-hour private Zoom call, and a PDF guide. Normally you'll click update service to save that. I didn't make any changes, so I'm not going to save it. And now you have your actual services page. Now, in the next video, we're going to talk about how you actually add that service onto your mycliq page.